This conference will now be recorded.
Hello all, welcome back. Yeah, still anyone having any issues with installation, Git installation?
Yeah, hi Ram, Damodar here.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, actually, previously in my laptop, I'm able to push my code into GitHub. So I have registered the GitHub with other account.
Okay.
So, but now while trying to push to GitHub, it is showing an error. So in the
First you
global
can pull. Go ahead.
in the global configuration file, so while giving the username and user email, it is showing different other details, even though I have uninstalled and installed the Git bash here. So how to delete that previous other email address and username from that global configuration file? How to delete that?
You can create another email. So no need to create anything. No need to delete anything. You can create other one.
Okay.
You can create other email and you can install configure. You can use that.
Okay, I have done that thing, but it is showing some other error.
You can use other email ID and log in into sign up for GitHub. Okay, and create one repository.
Yeah, I have done that. I have done that. Yeah.
Okay, still you are getting same error, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now in this case, what you can do first, whenever first time you push the code into GitHub, okay.
Okay.
So from second time onwards, what we need to do? So we need to pull the latest code into local. Then we need to add additional files, latest files. Yesterday we discussed some scenarios, right?
Yes.
So in first scenario, what we did, first we need to pull the latest code into local. On top of that only, we can add files. We can develop. We can start the development. We means developers. On top of the latest code only, we need to add the files. You can try that. You can pull the code into local and you can add some files and try to push. So if it is,
I have created a new GitHub account, so nothing is there to pull from GitHub, Ram.
Yeah, if it is new account, you can try to push.
Yeah, it's not happening. See, the error what I'm getting is I'm pasting you in the chat.
Yeah, you can send me today. We'll see that error. Okay, this is the error, right?
Okay.
1 second.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది స్టాష్ చేశాక పుష్ చేస్తే స్టాష్ చేసిన ఫైల్ కూడా పుష్ అవుతుంది కదా?
స్టాష్ చేస్తే పుష్ అవ్వదండి. స్టాష్ అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం? స్టాష్ అంటే మీకు ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది. యా, మీ లోకల్లో ఉంటుంది కానీ అది పుష్ అవ్వదు. స్టాష్ అంటే మీరు హైడ్ చేస్తారు, లోకల్లోనే ఉంటుంది మీకు, కానీ అది పుష్ అవ్వదు, హైడ్ అయి ఉంటుంది.
Okay. While practicing, I created multiple files and I stashed one file. Then after that, I pushed the code. I mean, pushed the other file. But I mean, the stashed file also had been pushed to GitHub.
స్టాష్ ఫైల్ పుష్ అయిందంటే ఇంకా స్టాష్ అనేది స్టాష్ అనేది మనకి
యూజ్ అవునండి,
యూజ్ లేదు కదా. పుష్ అయితే ఇంక యూజ్ ఏముంది? సో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి, ఇష్యూ వస్తే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పెట్టండి, ఈరోజు చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో మీరు దామోదర్ మీరు కూడా ఒకసారి నాకు ఆ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించండి. సో చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్ టుడే.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, చూద్దాం what is the issue, will troubleshoot that. Fine, so let us start. Today we are going to discuss about Git conflicts and resolution. So what are the conflicts we get in Git and how to resolve that, we'll check. Git conflicts, and also we cover one more concept, which is Git Rebase, okay, and also cherry-pick. So we have three concepts. So we'll try to cover these three, or at least two concepts we cover today. Git conflicts and resolution. Fine. So here scenario is, for example, three developers are working on some requirement, some activity, okay, some development activity. So it is a parallel development going on, right? So here we have, this is master branch. So one developer is working on master branch, and also another developer is working on development branch. So this is development branch. Right? And also one more developer is working on hotfix branch. Right? So here we have x equal to 5 value. So for example, first developer who is working on master branch, he created one file with x equal to 5. In that file, the content is x equal to 5. So next one is, when we create development branch, so this same whatever file is available on master, that will be replicated to development, right? So here x equal to 5 is there. But second developer who is working on development branch, he modified into 10, x equal to 10. Okay, modified and merged to master. So when he merged to master, before that, so in master we have x equal to 5. After that we created two branches, not one branch. We created two branches, development branch, hotfix branch, right? So in development branch, x equal to 5 replicated. So second developer, he modified into x equal to 10. But still here x equal to 5 is there, because at a time we created two branches. Still it is x equal to 5. So this second developer, he modified the code and he merged into master. So by the time here, this code is modified here, x equal to 10 is available. So second developer, third developer, he also modified the code, x equal to 50. And now second developer, third developer is trying to merge into master. So this code is trying to merge into master. So Git normally first merge it will allow. So when we merge from second branch, so it will give some conflicts, because so developers, while they're working on the code, okay, so when they modify the code, multiple merges it will not allow. First merge it will allow. Okay, to overcome that, what we will do, I'll give you solution. I'll explain you once complete this. Okay, fine. You understand this scenario, right? Once this code is merged into master, this will be x equal to 10. X equal to 10. But second merge, it will not allow. So this hotfix branch, whoever working on this hotfix, so while merging this code again, so it will give some conflicts. How to fix this? Okay, how to overcome this? So we'll try to understand. So scenario clarity undandi? Clear? Is it clear to you, the scenario? Everyone? So Git will allow first merge, second merge. While merging the code, it will give some conflicts. Okay, fine. So create folder, conflicts. Right click here, git bash here. Yeah, git init. So when we initialize, one branch is created, which is master branch, right? So here one developer is working on. So he added some file here, which is vi conflicts.txt. Okay, so here insert mode, this is git conflicts. Okay, here x equal to 5. He gave value is x equal to 5. Escape, save and quit. Now I create two branches. First, before that, we need to add into staging, right? Git add space dot git commit -m conflicts master branch, right? Now, fine. Now I create two branches. What is the command to create branch?
Git branch name.
Yeah, git branch name. Git branch development and also git branch hotfix. So at a time we are creating two branches, right? So now I switch to development branch. Git checkout development. So in development branch, if you check ls here, so the same file is available because Git will replicate when we create branch, whatever latest data is available on master, that will be replicated to new branches, right? So here on development branch, another developer is working. Now he's, now if you check cat development, cat conflicts, right? File name. Here, this is the value, x equal to 5 is the value. Now this developer, what is doing? Vi conflicts.txt, open this, is modifying to x equal to 10. Insert mode. He modified the code. Escape, save and quit. Now git add space dot git commit -m commit message conflicts on development. Right now he's merging into master. Once he modified the code in development branch, he's merging into master, for which we need to switch to master, right? Git checkout master, switch to master. Now we can merge this development branch into master branch. Git merge development. Now this code is merged into master. So in master branch, the code is merged. Cat conflicts.txt. If you check now, so it's equal to 10. It is merged. Latest code is updated into master branch. It's equal to 10. Right? Now we have another branch, which is hotfix branch. In hotfix branch, still we have the same values available. X equal to 5 only. Now I want to switch to hotfix. Git checkout hotfix. Now if you check vi, so ls here, yeah, this is the file vi conflicts.txt. If you open this file, still we have x equal to 5 only. So here third developer is trying to modify this. Third developer is working on this branch, is modifying the code into x equal to 15. Escape, save and quit. Git add space dot git commit -m commit message conflicts hotfix branch. Enter. Now he's trying to merge into master. So third developer is trying to merge into master. So before that, you need to switch to master branch. Git checkout master. In master branch, if you check cat conflicts.txt, so we have x equal to 10. But in hotfix branch, he modified the code, right? So from hotfix, yeah, the developer, he want to merge that code into master branch. Fine. Now he's trying to merge. Git merge hotfix. So here, when we execute this command, we'll get some issues, some errors. Okay. So while merging second branch, first branch it will allow, first modification, first update it will allow, second merge it will not allow. Git merge hotfix. What it is saying? So automatic merge failed, fix the conflicts and then commit the result. Right? So it will not allow. By the time, while working on this activities, parallel development, some developers will come to you. So I'm unable to merge the code like this. They will tell you, they will show you some issues. So in this case, what we will do as a DevOps engineer, how to identify the issue, how to fix that issue. So normally in development activity, we should not involve. For example, if anything developer want you to modify, we should not modify any code, small, even though single commit should not be available on your name. If any code is, if any commit ID is available on your name, if anything goes wrong, will be pointed. That is why, so we should not involve into development activity. Okay, we need to guide them. We need to, we need to tell them properly how to edit that, how to modify that, but we should not involve. Single commit ID we should not be available on your name. Okay, fine. So in this case, what we will do? There is a tool which is Git Merge Tool. Using that, we can find out the issues. Okay, so command here is Git Merge Tool. Just type Git Merge Tool. Git space Merge Tool. Enter. It is checking the issues. It is checking. So we can call it as Vim Diff Tool. So the same merge tool, we can call it as Vim Diff Tool. Enter. See here. What it is showing? So one developer wrote the code x equal to 10. Another developer, he modified like this. Another developer, he modified like 3 developers are working on this same requirement, but 3 developers gave 3 different values. That is why Git is confusing. Which value I have to take? Okay. So simply what we will do, when we observe this issue, we can take the screenshot and we can send it to development team. These are the issues. So 3 developers are give 3 different values. Which value is correct? Which value is correct value? You can find out and you can modify. Okay. So by the time some senior developers, what they will tell, anyways, you open the console, right? So x equal to 10 is correct value. You can modify that code. By the time, what we need to do? Simply, we can edit the code. Am I correct?
No.
No, sir.
No. Right? As a DevOps engineer, we should not edit any code. So some senior developers, they will force you to edit the code. Okay, so simply you can take the screenshot, you can send it across. That's it. You should not involve into coding part. Right? So they will modify. Backend, they will modify. They will modify and they will resolve the issue. Fine? Yeah. Any questions in this concept? Git conflicts? Yeah. In this situation, in this scenario, so while merging this code, it is not allowing, right? It is not allowing. It will give you some conflicts, right? To overcome this, we have another concept which is Git Rebase. So that we will discuss now. So always developers will use Git Rebase command. Because in parallel development, so development team will work on different branches. They will try to merge into master branch. By the time, if they get any issues, always they use a rebase command. Git rebase. Okay. So here you need to understand the scenario. The same way, scenario based we are going, right? So here we have one master branch. This is master branch. So on master branch we have 3 commit IDs. M1, M2, and M3. On master branch we have 3 commit IDs, M1, M2, M3. Fine. So now I create one development branch. When I create development branch, what will happen here?
I don't duplicate.
Yeah. Whatever latest code is available on master, that will be replicated to development branch, right? So here the same commit IDs will be replicated here. M1, M2, M3. Now I want to add 2 more commits here, which are D1 and D2. 2 commit IDs I added here. Okay. Now I create one more branch, which is hotfix branch. So in this hotfix branch, when we create a hotfix branch, how many commit IDs will be there here?
3, sir.
3 only, right? M1, M2, M3. Now I want to add 2 more commits here, which are H1 and H2. Okay, so now what I will do, so I want to merge this hotfix branch into master branch. So when I merge hotfix branch, these two committed will be merged into master branch, H1 and H2. Right? Now in master branch, we have M1, M2, M3, H1, H2. So next is second branch, development branch. If I want to merge into master, by the time I'll get some issues because it will allow first branch, but second branch, it will not allow, master will not allow. So in this case, we use, to achieve this, we use Git rebase. Okay. So once we rebase, what we will do, rebase means, so normally merge means we merge hotfix branch to master branch. Rebase means it is reverse. So master branch we can rebase into development branch. So we can rebase master branch into development branch. So in that case, what will happen? The commit IDs would be, once we rebase master branch into development branch, the sequence of the commit IDs would be M1, M2, M3, H1, H2, D1, D2. This is the sequence. Once we rebase master branch into development branch. Okay, this is frequently happened in development projects. Rebase command. Fine. Scenario is clear. Yeah. Let us go and create lab. Git Rebase. Git init. So when we initialize, master branch is created. So on master branch, I want to add 3 commits here. Okay. So vi m1.txt, insert m1, escape, save and quit. Okay. So here git add space dot git commit -m m1. Okay, and also m2. I add m2 also here. Enter, insert m2, escape, save and quit. Git add git commit m2. Also I add m3, insert m3, escape, save and quit. Git add git commit m3. Right? If you check git log, we have 3 commit IDs here: m1, m2, m3. Yeah, is there any third-party tool to identify conflicts? Yes, we have so many third-party tools. I'll give you some list we have. You can search in Google also to identify Git conflicts. What are the third-party tools? You will get all the tools. Fine. Now we have 3 commit IDs here. Okay. So now what I will do, I create some branch here, which is I create development branch. Okay.
They're small.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, same file 3 times commit చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్? Commit వేరు ఫైల్స్ డిఫరెంట్ లేదు.
ఏంటంటే కమిట్ వేరు
సేమ్ ఫైల్ 3 టైమ్స్ కమ్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్? అంటే ఇప్పుడు M1 ఫైల్ మనం 3 టైమ్స్ కమ్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్?
చేయొచ్చు. ఎడిట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ కమిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు మళ్ళీ కంటెంట్ యాడ్ చేసి కమిట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే వేరే కమిట్ ఐడి వస్తుంది. యూ విల్ గెట్ అనదర్ కమిట్ ఐడి. Every commit you will get new commit ID. Fine. Yeah. Now I create one branch which is the development branch. Git branch development. So when I create branch, the latest code will be replicated to development branch. Right. Now git checkout development. So ls here, same files are available. Same M1, M2, M3 latest code is available on development branch. Now I want to add 2 commits here. vi d1.txt insert d1 escape save and quit git commit git add right space dot git commit -m commit id d1 d2 also I can add here. Insert d2 escape save and quit git add git commit d2. Right now if you check git log, so we have m1 m2 m3 and d1 d2. Right now I want to create one more branch, so which is hotfix branch, for which I want to check out to master git checkout master. I'm in master branch now. Git branch hotfix. When I create hotfix branch, so whatever latest data is available on master, in master only 3 files are there. We haven't much development branch into master branch, right? So these files will be replicated to hotfix branch. Now I want to switch to git checkout hotfix. I switch to hotfix branch. Now if I check here ls, only 3 files are there, right? Can we use this real time? Initially we need to upload files there. Yeah, we can use in real time. So because in your project, if you have any firewalls, you need to get approvals. So the third party tool for troubleshooting to fix conflicts, identify conflicts. Okay, you need to get approvals if you want to use third party tools. Directly we should not implement that, should not use third party tools. You need to get approvals first. Yeah. So now I switch to hotfix branch. Here I have 3 files. Now I want to add 2 more files on this hotfix branch. vi h1.txt insert h1 escape save and quit git add space dot git commit -m h1. h2.txt, one more file I'm adding here. h2.txt insert h2 escape save and quit git add git commit h2. Now if you check git log, so So we have M1, M2, M3, H1, H2, right? Now I want to merge this hotfix branch into master branch. Okay. First we need to check out to master, right? Git checkout master. Now I want to merge hotfix branch into master branch. Git merge hotfix. Now this committed is merged into master. H1, H2 merge into master. As per the diagram, we are doing this. Okay. So this H1, H2 merge into master, right? Next one is development branch. If you try to merge development branch, you will get some issues here. First branch it will allow, second branch it will not allow. In this case, what we will do, we use Git Rebase. Okay, so how we use this rebase? So instead of merging master development branch into master, what we will do, we'll rebase master branch into development branch. By the time whatever latest code is available on master, that will be merged into development branch, right? Yeah. First we need to switch to target branch. Git checkout development. From here you can rebase the master branch. Okay, Git rebase master. Enter. Successfully rebased. So updated references heads / development. So once we rebase that, the sequence would be like this: M1, M2, M3, H1, H2, D1 and D2. The commit ID sequence would be like this. Now if you check git log, M1, M2, M3, H1, H2, D1, D2. Got it, right? So normally while working on parallel development, so developers always use this rebase command. Instead of merging all the branches to avoid errors, issues, okay, they will use rebase command. Fine. Yeah. So we have one more small concept. So this is rebase is very important. You can practice. So one more concept we have, which is cherry pick, small concept. Okay, it will not take much time. It will take hardly 10 minutes. Okay, cherry pick. We can cover cherry pick also. Cherry pick. Yeah, before discussing about this, I give you some scenario. Cherry pick. Yeah. So what is cherry pick? So for example, I have one master branch here. This is master branch. So on this master branch, we have two commit IDs, M1 and M2. So we have two commit IDs available here. Now I create one more branch, which is development branch. What will happen? This is development branch. So when we create branch, what will happen? The latest commit IDs will be replicated to development branch also, right? Same new branch. When we create branch, this latest data is replicated to development, M1 and M2. Now what I will do, I create 3 more commits here, D1, D2 and D3. Now if I merge this development branch into master branch, what will happen? ఏం జరగొచ్చండి?
Override.
Yeah, when I merge development branch into master branch, this 3 commits will be merged into master branch. So here in master branch, we'll get this 3 commits, right? But my requirement is I don't want to merge entire branch. I want to merge only D2 commit ID to master branch. So in D1, some issues are there. In D3 also some issues are there. I want to merge only D2 commit ID. So in this case, we use cherry-pick. Using cherry-pick, we can merge particular commit ID. Only one commit ID. If you want to merge, we use cherry-pick. Here we have interview question. Okay. So they don't ask directly what is cherry-pick. Okay. Interviewer will ask you, I have 5 commit IDs, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. So in D1, some issues are there. I don't want to merge D2. Only D3 I want to merge into master branch. So how can we merge? That is entry question. So simply you can say, we can give, using cherry pick, we can merge D3 into master branch. Fine. So in last interview, we asked this question. So that person could not answer that. He gave different answer. Also, when I attend some proxies, I got this question. So a couple of proxies when I attend for different previous batch students. So I got this question. Okay, fine. So let us go and create lab. This is the folder cherry pick. Git bash here. Git init. Right. So in master branch, I add 2 commits. Vi m1.txt, insert m1, escape, save and quit. Git add space dot, git commit -m, commit message m1, m2 also we can create. Insert m2, escape, save and quit. Git add, git commit m2. Right. Git log. We have 2 commit IDs, m1, m2. Now I create branch. Git branch development. Now I switch to development branch. Git checkout development. ls here we have m1, m2 on development branch. Now I want to add 3 more commit IDs here. Vi d1.txt, insert d1, escape, save and quit. Add space dot, git commit -m d1. So d2 also create. Insert d2, escape, save and quit. Git add, git commit d2. git commit -m. Okay, so third one also you can create D3 set git add git commit D3. Enter. Now if you check git log, so we have M1, M2, D1, D2, D3, right? So now I want to merge. If I merge this development branch into master branch, so all these three commits will be merged. But I don't want to merge entire branch. I want to merge only this D2 commit. Okay. So for which the command here is, we need to use cherry-pick command. Okay. To merge this particular commit ID, we can use cherry-pick command. First, we need to switch to master. Git checkout master. Now the command here is git cherry-pick space commit ID. So this is the commit ID. You can just copy this commit ID and paste here. Just highlight this, paste here. Okay, this commit ID I want to merge. Okay, enter. Now it is merged. Now if you check git log here, see here, M1, M2, D2. Only D2 is merged into master. So this cherry pick will support only single commit ID. So multiple commit IDs we can't merge using cherry pick. Okay. Fine. Any questions up to here?
That in master or same commit ID will be displayed.
Sorry, can you come again?
See here, right? Once we merge here, we are merging the commit ID D2, right? So once we merge that commit ID to master, so the ID will be again generated in master, or same commit ID will come.
Yeah, the whatever commit ID is available in development branch, that is merged into master. So
Yeah.
code we should merge, right? Once development is completed, once we commit there. So normally we'll get approval. Okay, then merge into master. It is completed development activity. So normally we
my question is, if you see here, see in Git cherry-pick we given commit ID which ends with 455E, right?
Yeah.
Once we merge that here, so again if you see git log in master, I could see for D2 the commit ID is different.
Okay.
So,
this is D2. Okay, let me check that. So this is the D2 commit ID, right?
Right.
This is 41666.
But what we given is?
1 second. Yeah. So some merging time it will change. Nothing will be happen. But the code, whatever code is available, okay, that is 1 second. Let me. I do one thing. Okay, 1 second. So this one. So D3 also I want to merge. Let us check now. One second. ABCC. So this now Git yeah. Actually, what will happen here? So when we merge into master, some code changes will, this commit ID changes will be happen. So normally what we will do, so when we merge from one place to other place, this ID will be changed, but the code will be, the ID will be like this, but this commit ID, so SHA code, we can say this is SHA code. SHA code will be changed. Nothing will be happen. We need to consider this one. Okay.
The file names, right?
Yeah. Name we need to consider this one. ID SHA code will be modified sometimes. It's not sometimes, every time it will modify when we merge. Okay. So these three concepts are very, very important. You can practice these three concepts. Tomorrow we'll work on Git tags and also difference between Git and SVN, subversion control system. And also we have some concept in GitHub, how to delete repositories, how to change default repository, default branch, how to delete branch. So we'll see tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
While pulling code from remote to local, if that repository have 2 or more branches, but only master branch is pulling, why other branches are not pulling?
Yeah, normally master will always maintain latest code from master branch only. So we need to pull the code into local. So whatever data is available in other branches, that will be available in master also. So always master will maintain latest data. That is why we need to pull the master branch only from master branch only. Right?
We cannot pull other branches.
We can pull, but if you have default branches master branch, you need to pull only master branch data.
Okay, only master branch.
Yeah, you can change development branch as default branch. By the time you can pull from the development branch. I'll show you tomorrow how to change default branch as development branch. Okay. You can practice here up to here. If you have any questions, you can take screenshot and you can post in the group. Any other questions before wind up?
Yeah, Ram, as you said in the previous scenario, the conflicts one, you told me that we have to take the screenshot and send them, right?
Yeah.
So how the issue will be fixed?
They will fix. We don't need to involve into that. Developers will fix that issue. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So we stop here for today. So tomorrow we'll work on difference between Git and SVN and also Git tags. Fine. Thank you all.